Today we will show you how to install the new Varia RCT715 radar camera and provide an overview of the buttons and light functions. The Varia RCT715 radar camera includes a tail light and micro radar that can detect approaching vehicles up to 140 meters away. Select a secure location to mount the device where it does not interfere with the safe operation of your bike. Mount the device as high on the seat as possible for optimal light visibility and radar detection. The mount surface should be vertical. Mounts are designed to accommodate most seat angles. First, select a rubber pad based on your seat post shape. Place the pad on the back of the taillight mount. Now, place the taillight mount on the seat post and attach with one band. Then place the RCT715 into the mount and lock the push lever down until it locks in place. The RCT715 radar camera is now installed on your bike. We will now show a quick overview of the buttons and LED